In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic remarketing campaign for Google Shopping ads. This process is a great way to re-engage with potential customers who have previously interacted with your products, helping you to boost sales and build brand loyalty. Now, let's dive right in and learn how to set this up. First, you need to head over to Google Ads. By now, you probably know that Google Ads is a powerful tool that enables businesses to attract more customers and increase online sales through targeted advertising. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply sign in to access your Google Ads dashboard. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is where you have a broad overview of your existing advertising campaigns and their performance. From here, you're going to look for the Tools icon, which is typically represented by a wrench symbol in the top menu bar. Clicking on it will open up a range of options that you can utilize for more advanced functions and settings. Next, we're going to select Data Manager. This section is crucial as it's where you deal with all the audience and product data that your advertising campaigns will utilize. Ensuring that your data is accurately set up will help in optimizing your ads for better performance. After navigating to the Data Manager, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Products. This leads you to the part of the platform where all your products are listed. Once you're on the Products page, you'll see an option called Connect a Product. Clicking on this allows you to link your existing product feeds to your ad campaigns. If this is your first time, you might have to set up your product feed, which is essentially a file that contains all your product listings and details. Make sure your product data is current and accurately formatted according to Google guidelines. Connecting your product feed is a pivotal step in setting up your dynamic remarketing campaigns. And there you have it. You've just learned the foundational steps to set up a dynamic remarketing campaign for Google Shopping ads. This approach allows you to show tailored ads to users based on their previous behavior with your website, making your advertising efforts more personalized and effective. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.